when you're dropping back to the starting position, let it load the biceps. That's the most important part. Is don't shift these. I want you to push down like this is an actual bar. Superset is gonna be triceps and biceps. As we know, I love training arms. I think probably arms is one of my thing I gotta let go a little bit, but it is what it is. So if you had spongy grips, what this exercise is gonna mimic this bar. So the only reason why I don't really like this bar sometimes is because you're restricted to the movement itself. You can't really move the way that you want. So this exercise actually allows you to move a little bit freely. I want you to stand nice and tall, pull back, squeeze the triceps. Make sure you load the triceps coming back up, squeeze, remember chest nice and tall, tighten the abs and squeeze the glutes. Now we're gonna move right into the bicep curls. I want you to go kind of light on the first set of the triceps, but with this bicep exercise, you can just use moderate weight going straight into it. Nice and tall, same thing, feet closer together. Nice and clean. Now I'm gonna go up to 30. But one thing I want you to do is don't shift these. I want you to push down like this is an actual bar. That's gonna be the difficult part. So push down. You see my hands aren't moving. Push down like this is a bar. The only thing that you're gonna notice between, like I said, this and a bar is the bar you're gonna be restricted. This one you can move freely, so you can extend a little bit further. You're going right back to the curls. And I don't know if you noticed, I'm not bringing it up like this. I'm keeping the elbows right there parallel to the side of the body, and I'm coming straight up with a nice squeeze. There's so many different ways to hit your biceps. If you've been paying attention, I've been giving you a lot of bicep game. Remember, allow that bar when you're dropping back to the starting position. Let it load the biceps. That's the most important part. Get a really good squeeze. Squeeze as hard as you can at the top. But remember, control down on the bicep. That's how we break the bicep down and sculpt it the way that we want. Let's get it.